Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how I organize my clothes in my closet. If you don't already know, I live in a little studio, so we have limited space and I have to take advantage of every square inch of this place, and I kind of have to get creative with how I store my things. I apologize if I'm talking funny. I have a giant sore in my mouth and it hurts like hell, but I am committed to getting upload up today and nothing's gonna stop me. So let's just start off with the things that I store in my dresser. So right now in my dresser I have all my foldable shirts, meaning things that I don't really care to get wrinkled, things that don't really get wrinkled if I do fold them, and like house shirts and workout clothes. So I do fold them the Marie Kondo way. If you don't already know who that is, where have you been? Do you live under a rock? I remember a couple years ago when her book came out, there was like a height in Marie Kondo style, and then just recently, I think of like probably 8-9 months ago, they did a Netflix special on her, so then she had another peak in popularity. But this time around, I gave in to her ways and I decided to fold those shirts the way she does them, but I kind of folded it a little bit differently to make it fit my dresser, so that I could maximize the amount of items I put in there, but essentially the way she folds her tops. The other thing I have in the dresser are all of my pants and shorts. Right now I do have like my jeans and shorts. In the winter I usually have my jeans and sweaters, like crew necks and hoodies and stuff like that I'll put in there, just because winter clothes already take up so much space that I don't feel that it's necessary to really hang that kind of stuff. But in the summer I have my shorts, fall, winter I have my sweaters. And then I have an underwear and a sock drawer, which it is not exciting, so I'm not even going to share that with you guys. I don't fold my underwear, I just throw it in there, and I also just like, you know, curl up my socks as you do so that you have the pair together. There's nothing special about that. I don't fold my socks. And as for the clothes that I hang, they are obviously the more fancier things, the going out things, things I don't want to get wrinkled, things that are prone to getting wrinkled, things of that nature. And I use these hangers for all of my tops and dresses, jackets and sweaters, and it's also so thin. Focus on that, on my face. Yeah, they're so thin. It's a nice way to try to save space in your closet, because I feel like a standard hanger takes up like 2 of these and it's just unnecessary and so fat, and it just doesn't need to be that wide. I don't understand why some hangers are that wide. So this stores a lot more clothes in the closet than the standard plastic hangers. And then for the summer, for some things I actually hang stuff like this, because 1, it saves a lot more room, and 2, it's just easier for me. Most of my tank tops are dirty, so I only have 3 on here, but usually I have like 6, 3 on one and 3 on the other, and it's just a way for me to save space in the closet, because 1, I don't have enough hangers to hang everything, and 2, if I had enough hangers to hang everything, nothing would fit in there. So clearly I need to crack down on the clothes that I have, but this is my temporary solution to hang things like this. I use these hangers for my shorts and my skirts, not shorts, pants and my skirts. I actually have 2 pairs of pants. I fold them in half and put 1 on each end, and these are amazing. Like, I don't know why I didn't purchase these sooner. I didn't buy these until I moved into my own apartment, but these are great. It's a great way to store work pants, especially if you have to wear like trousers and slacks and stuff. It keeps your pants from getting wrinkly, and it just looks so much nicer in your closet to have pants hanging as well. And I also don't even have enough dresser space to put all my work pants in the dresser, nor do I even want to, because then they're just gonna get wrinkled. But anyway, these pant hangers you need to get. They're amazing. If you don't have these, you need to get on this. You need to hop on this train, because it's gonna change your life. And also, when you're getting ready, it's like you just grab it instead of like having to pull out your hanger from the inside. You know what I'm saying? Like when you usually have pant hangers here, or pants hanging in here, there's no need to like fuss with your hanger in the morning. I mean, first world problems, but you know, it's a pro. And I also have this guy, which stores, it's supposed to store pants, but I decided to fold up all of my skirts and put one on each thing. This saves up so much room, and it just looks so much nicer when you look in your closet. You can see all the different skirts that you have so that you don't have to, you know, search for whatever bottoms you want to wear that day. And as for my shoes, I have some shelving. I got it at Target, and they're stackable, but one of them I made specifically for my boots because my boots are so tall that I didn't build one of the shelves that comes with the shoe stack thing to kind of give myself some space for my boots. I like to store the shoes, like the right shoe showing the back and then the left shoe showing the front. Or is it the other way around? I can't remember, but you'll see in the clips, because it saves more space and it allows me to kind of stick more shoes in the shelving, because again, living in a tiny ass studio, you gotta maximize your space. We also have a rack by our front door to store all the shoes that we wear daily or regularly, just so we don't have to dig through the closet. Not that our closet's even that far, but it is nice to have a rack to just throw your shoes in when you get home. And then for off-season stuff, I store it under my bed. So I have an under the bed storage thing that I purchased at IKEA. Also, anything that I have mentioned, I'm going to link down below. But anyway, the under the bed storage I put all the winter clothes and our jackets and things that are off season. I keep it under the bed. It saves you so much room. I could not recommend doing this enough. In the winter, it's definitely more packed than it is in the summer because winter clothes are huge and heavy. In the summer, I have like little skanky tank tops and bathing suits and shiz. They don't take as much room. That is where I put all of my off-season items. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was kind of helpful. To be honest, I don't think I really do any crazy like innovative storing. I just try to make the best of what I've got, and living in a small space really forces you to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!